Hello and good morning or evening to my physics teacher, Teacher Connie, and my fellow friends. This is a video explaining how me and my partner, Shaun, made the solar oven, why we chose the designs that we did, our trials, and our best possible result. The materials that I used to make the solar oven are 2 pizza boxes. One is a large pizza box from Pizza Hut. The other is a 3-slice sized pizza box from Pezzo. Black construction paper, aluminum foil, clear plastic sheet, clear tape, a pair of scissors, a box cutter, an aluminum tray, a cooking thermometer, 500 milliliters of water, and 2 eggs. The following is an explanation on how I made the solar oven using said materials. Firstly, I cut out a square shaped flap out of the pizza box lid, 3 cuts using a box cutter, and on the inside, on the underside of the pizza box lid, I taped the plastic sheet to it. And as for the flap, I taped the aluminum foil onto the flap, facing inwards into the box. And for the inside of the box, I covered it with black construction tape, at least 2 layers of black construction tape on the inside of the box. As for the Pezzo pizza box, I cut out its 2 largest sides, meaning I cut out the lid and cut off its flaps, and also cut out the base of the pizza box. After that, I taped aluminum foil onto it so there could be flaps for the bigger pizza box. Finally, I slid the 2 flaps into the slits between the lid and the side walls of the Pizza Hut box, and made sure that the aluminum were facing inwards towards the plastic sheet, just like the first flap I made before. As for the remaining materials, the aluminum foil tray was the holder for the eggs and water. I placed 2 eggs into the tray before pouring about 500 milliliters of water and proceeded to measure the temperature of the water with the cooking thermometer. The initial temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Then I placed the tray filled with eggs and water into the solar oven before placing the oven outside under the sun. So the reasoning for this design is quite simple. The aluminum foil will direct the sunlight towards the eggs and also help capture a little heat. The black construction paper helps absorb the heat because dark colors trap more heat compared to lighter colors, and the plastic sheet is the window in which the sunlight enters the oven. As for the trials, I ran 3 trials on the solar oven. I have found that the results of each trial were identical. The temperature will not increase further than 44 degrees Celsius, and in all trials, the eggs failed to cook. And finally, as for our best possible result, although all trials failed to cook the eggs and are also identical to one another, the solar oven was able to perform its primary function of heating the eggs. In conclusion, all trials are deemed the best possible results. That is all from us. Thank you for watching.